They're gone.
Both Batra and Godzilla?
No more signs of life, sir. Then the volcano must have gotten them both.
Incredible. They both drowned in molten rock. It's a good thing that we lost the egg, don't you think? One can never tell what the Maratomo Company would have ended up doing with it.
I agree. I'm pretty sure they just wanted to use it to make money for themselves.
That's the first time we agree on anything.
Godzilla and Batra are suddenly both gone for good now. We have a happy ending.
Happier than the ending of our honeymoon. Do you remember how we stayed at the Cairo Hotel? Nobody could have been happier than the two of us. Oh. I was so young at the time, and so naive.
Yes, I was too. That's why.
Why what?
That's why I should have done things differently. If I'd known.
That's right. Everyone grows and learns from their mistakes. We can't stay happy inside an egg forever.
That's right. Perhaps we should take them up for as an example.
Yeah, let's have a drink. Takuya! I can't find the cosmos! They disappeared!
Oh no. This is fantastic. We can feature them in our advertisements and promotional stunts. Sensational. We'll be rich. I agree completely. I know. You did it. Thank you. Ladies, you need worry. You'll be paid generously. We must prepare a nice place for them. And oh, make a room for them. Make something their size. Really nice. And furnish it. A room? Where would I find things to make a room for them? And oh, I know. A toy shop. Buy them the very best. I want them happy. Great idea. Yes. Wait.
Huh?
Wait.
Hurry up!
What's the big hurry anyway, huh?
Well, if you would just think about it for a minute, what if Manga comes to try and save the cosmos?
That would be terrible indeed.
The only reason Cosmos came here was to try to protect the environment. Now, the only thing the great Maratomo Company is doing is helping to destroy it. Now, don't you feel guilty about that?
No, not me.
Midori! I'm back! Welcome back, Mommy! Has my girl been good? Yeah. Welcome back. Thanks, sister. It's good to see you. You must have really hurried back home. You got here quick. Oh, the professor came too. He's going to be leaving.
How are you? I'm going to Mount Fuji. I'll be working in the observatory there.
What will you be studying? Is that bad? Yes, Professor.
The meteorite has destabilized a large fault there.
Oh, what could possibly happen next? Hi, Sandy, Mommy. Oh. It disappeared.
insist on keeping the crossbow. He's turning down any offer we can afford to make.
How selfish of him. Well, after all, it was his destruction of the forest that woke Mothra up. Well, we can just wait and see how the Earth is going to punish us all now.
Here it comes.
Is Mothra coming here for the Cosmos?
If the predictions are right, it should reach Japan tomorrow afternoon. Yet another terrible